Hello students, welcome to Summer Age Chemistry. Today we'll discuss about the applications of inductive effect. Okay? Applications means to where it to be applied. Okay? We have read inductive effect, so we have to read the applications. So we can do the questions related to inductive effect. Okay? And the application of inductive effect are very important. Okay, in every entrance exam you should must face a question of inductive effect. Okay, so let's get started. Applications. First application is relative strength of carboxylic acid. We can calculate the relative strength of carboxylic acid by the application of inductive effect. How? More is the minus I group, more will be the compound is acidic. Okay, that means if the compound contain minus I group, that means this group. Okay, if a compound contain this group, then you should know that these are acidic in nature. Okay, and you should follow the order also, so you can compare the group which is more acidic and which is less acidic. Okay, so the second application is relative strength of base. More is the plus I effect, more will be the compound will be the basic. Okay, if the plus I group are present in more, then the compound will be basic, and you should also have to follow the order also. As I said in my previous video, that you should must remember those series. Okay, so you can do the question properly. And the third application is it explains the polarity of covalent bond in organic compound. Okay, polarity means one is the most electronegative and another will be the most electropositive. So a pole will induced. Okay, so that means it gives the dipole moment also. Okay, dipole moment means one positive charge and one negative charge are apart by a distance. Okay, you also have read it in physics also. Okay, you can calculate the charge on a carbon. Okay, if the carbon contain positive charge, then it is directly proportional to the minus I effect. Okay, if the positive charge is more, then the minus I effect will be more and the plus I effect will be low, and the negative charge is more, then the plus I effect is more and minus I effect is less. See here the example. Okay, this is NO2 and this is also NO2. These are electron withdrawing group, this is also electron withdrawing group. So this group will attract the electron from the carbon. Okay, so here are two minus I effect are showing, so the carbon will get most positive charge, and hence you got it that more is the minus I effect, more will be the positive charge on carbon. Okay, then here is the second question, that is CH3, then CH2 and NO2. Okay, the NO2 group is also the minus I effect. Okay, then you have to calculate the highest positive charge and the lowest positive charge. Then the third example, you should follow the questions as it is. Here is a question that calculate the highest dipole moment, and here is a note that dipole moment is directly proportional to plus I effect and inversely proportional to minus I effect. That means if the positive inductive effect, that means plus I effect is more, then the dipole moment will be more. If the negative effect is more, then the dipole moment will be less. Okay, so you have to remember this code also. So according to that note, here there are three positive charge and here there are three negative charge. So the plus I effect will be dominant, that means it has highest dipole moment. Okay, here also three positive charge and here three negative charge. Okay, so this is highest in dipole moment. Okay, so like this is the question you should try. Reactivity of aldehyde and ketone. The reactivity of aldehyde ketone is directly proportional to minus I effect and inversely proportional to plus I effect. So more is the plus I effect, less will be the reactivity, and more is the minus I effect, more will be the reactivity. So you have to see that which compound contain lesser number of plus I effect and higher number of minus I effect. Okay, so this is here there is one R and here there are two. So you know that alkyl group are electron donating group, that means they show plus I effect. So more is the plus I effect, lesser will be the reactivity. So this will be the more reactive. Okay, I think you can do it as I discussed the previous examples, it is similar to that type of question. Okay, thank you for watching the whole video. Do like, share and comment. In our next video we are going to do most examples questions on inductive effect and some exceptions also. Okay, thank you.